Hello everyone, my name is Gregory Torres and I'm part of the accounting team here at Diamond C. Today's fundamental that we're going to discuss for week number 28 is invest your time. It reads, guard your time and be careful to invest in the things that matter and make a difference. Your time is one of the most valuable and limited resources. How to invest it determines the extent of your growth and success. So why is this fundamental important to me? Well, I'd like to share a quick little personal story with you first. I did track and field for about 12 years, and if I know more than anyone, it's about investing your time into the right things. And I'll tell you what though, it's not about just what you get out of the sport when you compete in track and field. A lot of people would say, well, maybe you're competing just because you want to win. But after doing something for 12 years and being dedicated to it and choosing to invest my time, you discover that you learn so much more out of it. Like you learn how to be determined, disciplined, you gain responsibility, you gain humility and sincerity, and all these other great values that help you grow to who you are on your way to success. So why is investing your time important for your success and the success of your team members? Well, I believe that everybody has a part to play, and whenever has a part to play, then that means that all of their duties and responsibilities are aligned. And when everyone can align and concentrate on one task, then actually what the thing that you're saving is time, because you're becoming more efficient as a team. As we close out the fundamental for the week, I want to challenge each and every one of you to go ahead and look into yourself and look at who you are to determine if you're investing your time wisely. I want to see that if you guys can actually can change yourselves and can increase the time that you invest for yourself and for your team. And maybe you question yourself, how do I do that? Well, maybe the first thing you can do is look at your calendar. You can see where your priorities lie and you can reorganize. Another thing or an option that you can possibly do is you can set goals and timeline for yourself. And at the end of it, hold yourself accountable.